Well, we are the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. We know that Jesus was buried here and, of course, resurrected. But just before he came, when he came to the Golgotha, they didn't crucify him immediately. There's a place, kind of a prison for those poor people, and they were waiting for, the crucifixion. The Greek Orthodox, it belongs to them, and they renovated it. Which is now it's beautiful. But the most important part of it is not in the chapel that we are going in soon to see the exact spot. Look at that. You can see here that there are two holes. And for what reason? Let's look at the icon, and you can see Jesus. Look at his hands, and look where his legs are. That is kind of a prison for like a few hours just before the crucifixion. Then it might be here, it might be the same one. Let's go just in to see the chapel itself. Beautiful, isn't it? You can see Jesus. It might be the spot itself, Nika. And the first one, and the last one, Jesus, victory. Look at the icon of Jesus himself. And the mother and the child. And the sadness of the mother itself that knows that Jesus will be crucified or even been crucified at the Golgotha, Calvary. You can see the skull beneath it, and we will talk about it later on. Subscribe my channel. Hello, Shlomi.
Hello.
And they just been renovated. You can see that it's so new. It was open to the public like half a year ago. But coronavirus, COVID-19 happened at that time. See the vulture from the other side of the Greek Orthodox. Two heads, one to the right, to the east, one to the west, all over the world. And Jerusalem in heaven, although we are in Jerusalem. Please subscribe my videos and be my guest, be my tourist for the next hundreds of videos. And I have already 18,000 videos. Then you will see almost everything about the Holy Land. It's October 21, 2020.